Welcome to G-Tex Designs. This episode we will be building part 3-33A, the Boiler Feed Clack Body for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Welcome back to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 3-33A, the Boiler Feed Clack Body for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's open up MGS. Alright, let's start from the top view, sketch, circle. We shall do that one. That's going to be 12. Yep, it's going to be 12. So do that one 12. 12. That's going to be a height of 11. There's a hole in that, but we'll do that a little bit later. It goes through another piece. So 11. And leave that as blind. Okay, that one's done. It's going to be brass. Let's put this on brass. Metal. Brass. Satin finish looks good. Just take away that grayness. Okay, so now we want to do another circle on top. So create a sketch on top of it there. Don't need to normalize it. Click in the middle. And pull out. That's going to be 16. Missed. 16. That's going to be a height of 24. Feature 24. And done. Let's move that out. There we go. Beautiful. Okay, so that's done. I'm not going to put any holes through this till we do the pieces through in case we add a piece and for some reason it doesn't, the hole don't work too well for some reason. So see what happens. But right now we want piece come off the middle. So front plane will do. Front or right, either one will do. Actually, I'm going to do right. Makes no difference. Actually, before you do, exit that. Thank you. Normal 2. Sketch, there we go. That's going to be 10 mil. So sketch 10 mil. That's going to be 12. I can't see a measurement there. It looks like it's half. So this may have been adjusted later. I can't see the measurement down for that one. And that's going to come out by 22. Extrude 22. And done. So if you put the hole through first, and that will cover the hole up. So that's the downside of it. Okay, so now we want go to right plane. Oh, sorry, front plane. Let's go the other way. There we go. And sketch right there. Now we want to go from this point. That's going to go up, across, touch again, and curve down and across. There we go. Beautiful. So that's going to be 19 from this point to this point, which is going to be, what was that, 10, 9, 4.5. 4.5. Oh, missed a 4. 4.5. That it's going to be that, and that's going to be, if I do that, does it, nope, undo that one. Idiot. This point and this point, that's what I was after, sorry. It's going to be there, this one and that point, which I lost right there. It's going to be there. There we go. Lock that in. That's going to be 4 mil, this little outlet here. 4 mil, 4.5. Yep, which locks that one in. Excellent. Now we want to go center line to there. Doesn't matter where that is. This is this for reference. So, cancel that one. Thank you. So now we want to go feature, revolve, and that's what the center line's for. And that's revolve around there beautifully. Excellent. And okay. There we go. Perfect. Now, I could have just done out there, then add this whole thing in there, but I've just found this is easier. I knew the exact distance from there, from the center point. It was 22, wasn't it? Yeah. I just want to make sure. Okay, so now this section here, we'll sketch, add another circle. Just go over the center line, don't click, just touch with the cursor, and there's the center point. Ooh. And that's going to be 12. 12. And that's going to extrude all the way into the center. So it's going to be... I'll take it all the way to the center because the other holes inside are bigger, so that way it's all good then. So it's going to be feature, extrude. That's about right, 22. Oh, idiot, sorry. Whoa. I'm going to hear myself. That's got to come out. I'm going to hear myself, sorry. That's going to extrude, not cut. Sorry. I was trying to think several steps ahead. 9 and done. There we go. Now we do a whole 6 mil. Sorry about that. Yep. Sorry about that. So we sketch, hole, go find the center point. That's gonna be 6 mil. 6 mil. That's going to go in by 22 plus 9, so 29, 31. The only reason I'm doing 31 that way, I go exactly in the middle. I know I've gone far enough, but I haven't gone too far. So, 31 and done. There you go. This goes in there. So if we go to... Oh, no. Let's get, sorry. Normal 2. Then we go to... See, that's halfway. So these holes here will go up. I know it's going to be good. I know it's not going to be going too far. And that's so. Okay, so now that piece is actually done. The piece sticking out is done. That's all the hole. Now we've got 3 holes going in. Oh no, sorry, correction. We've got 2 holes going in. One's got a thread part way down. So let's do this one first. So sketch. Click on the outside there. That way you can unhighlight it. That blue part. Now, you already got a center point there, but let me show you there. See, it shows up the red dot there. That's perfect. That's going to be 12 mil. 12. That's going to go down. So it's going to extrude 19. And done. Now, see the hole there? Perfect there, but doesn't cut anything out here. That's why I went halfway. I knew it's good. If I didn't go quite halfway, it might not be enough. So that's why I did that. Now, I'm going to do something different here. Instead of going this side, I'm going to go this side. Makes no difference. Okay, so sketch, circle, and that hole's going to be 6 mil. 6 mil. Let's just flip it over that way. Feature, extrude, up to next. And done. I could have done either way. I just want to show you can do it that way too. So, okay, so that's all the holes. There's all the holes. Yes, it is. Okay. Before we start doing the threads, let's just do that one. Fill it there, 1 mil, and there you go. There you go. That's good. Okay, so we've got 3 threads. Got outside thread, inside thread, and outside thread. They're all 12. Okay. So we go to drop down, thread. We shall start from that point. Go all the way up, beautiful. Trim. I think that's good. Nope. And that one thread. Excellent. That one's done. Okay, let's do this thread now. Oh, rebuild. Thank you. There we go. Thread. There. That looks good. I don't need to go up the other end because it does enough. Extrude. Trim. And done. There you go. Oh, hold on. No, something's not right there because it stops there. Hold on. Maybe it didn't go far enough. Okay, let's do... So we'll do 30. There you go. I think 20 would be enough. So, yeah, it's about 10 mil. So that was 11. That's why. So that's 11. It's at 10. So that's why it stopped there. Okay, now this one. We shall start down the bottom here. That's good. That's good. But we shall do trim and face. Do both. But it's going to be offset by 10. Where's the offset? Hold on. Up to selection. Okay, I've got to do up to selection this time because I need... There we go. I need offset of 10. Hold on. No, something went wrong. Let me cancel that. Let me get a whole wizard. Before I touch anything, thread location, start layer, offset by 10. There we go. I think that's right, that one. It's right, the circle there, that's good. That hole, sorry. And there we go. That worked out pretty good. That is what it needs. Excellent. Let me just double check everything. Let me just put a nice little angle. Okay, so we got the 3 threads. 1, 2, 3. Got all threads this time. Now the only thing height than that one, so we'll see as we go along. So thank you for coming along. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Click the like button, subscribe, comment. I do appreciate it. Welcome all new subscribers. Thank you everyone's been supporting me. I do appreciate it. I'll see you next episode. And remember, thank you very much.